Yo, what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Dorahim, back again with another great, amazing Android apps of the week. You already know what I'm saying. Well, our last video did amazing on this kind of episode, and I thought that I could share with you guys as quickly as possible whenever we're dropping a next kind of video. So on this kind of video today is my 6 apps of the week, and I thought that I could share with you guys. This is not a monthly app because the monthly app will be on the middle of the month, I think on 15th or 16th or even 17th. So for further talking, let's get started.
So our first stop of the week goes to 1998 camera. Don't get it twisted, actually it's something which is awesome. Opening 1998 camera, you're gonna explore a lot of stuff right through it. Actually, you can go and check out all the loot somewhere here, and you can just click on this kind of button. You can get all those kind of loots, so you can see how much it sparks very well. You can get all the black and white if it's your thing, the vintage and stuff like that. Something else, you can get the grid if you are into grid, so as you can see which type of perspective. This is what I mean. You can just click somewhere here, you can see the grid, how it functions. It's just give you that kind of cinematic kind of look whereby you can just flex on it. You can use the flashlight if it's your thing, so if you want that kind of flashy picture and stuff like that, you can disable the flashlight if it's your thing too. You can set up some timer, which is something which is so awesome. Something else, you can click on this kind of box somewhere here on top if you want to get different type of dimension of your picture, how you want it to be. Something else, you can click on these 3 dots. You can see all those kind of functionality, the display stamp, the mirror front camera. So if you want to get that kind of mirror front camera, you can just get it through here. You can just see a lot of things whereby they just happen. You can get the random dust if you want the effect to be automatically effects. You can just control them here, all of them. So something else is all about the video. You can even shoot the video with it, which is something which is so awesome to give it that different kind of feel and stuff like that, which is so superb. So this is a 1998 camera. Our secondly app of the week goes to Measure. Well, Measure app is something which is so awesome. First thing first, it will just scan it. You can see it tells you first move the phone slowly from left to right. So go left, then go right. You can see how it is. So starting from that point, I would just want to measure my kind of chair somewhere there and go all the way on top up to somewhere here. You can see how much it measures. So you're supposed to stay on the same grid and do it slowly, not faster but a little bit slowly up to somewhere you want somewhere here, just stop it there. You can see it shows you the point, but the only downside, I don't know if Google will fix that, it's just the point goes out of bound. You can see how it did there, it went out of bound. So something else about this app is all about you can just take a picture too. If you take the picture, it can be saved and you can just use it anywhere you want. It can give you the dimension you want. You can see how much the dimension they are, and you can save that and use it later for your workspace. Our third app of the week goes to Mi Calculator. Don't get it twisted about the Mi Calculator. Is something which is so awesome because the Mi Calculator, it gives you a lot of bunch of new kind of features. The first thing features which I like about it is go all the way to functionality here. You can see there are a bunch of stuffs, volume, time, date, length, so you name it, everything it just calculates on there. What I like about it is on the discount. If I'm giving out a discount or original price of my product is like $200 and I want to give a discount of 5%, and you can see the final price, it tells you that's the price. So if I want to give perhaps 30,000 T shillings, just like that, you can see I want to give a discount, perhaps is 10%, you can see the discount it gives it to you. So things, they're just running smoothly using the Mi Calculator. Something else is all about the currency. So you can click on the currency and you can just set anywhere you want, and the currency, they're being updated each now and then. You can see exchanging rates provided by WebUL, it's just updating. So each time it's just getting updated to give you different type of perspective, which is something which is so superb. You can see somewhere here, you can click on perhaps $5. It can give you the amount of the dollars which supposed to be in your certain country. So you may select any country you want and it just do the thing, which is something which is so awesome. Something about it is all about the splitting of money. So you have like 5 people or 10 people, okay, let's say 5 people, and you want to distribute amount of like 20,000 or 2,000, right? It will tell you have to split amount into 400, so as 5 people they can get that kind of amount, which is something which is so great. Our fourth app of the week goes to My Mail. Well, don't get it twisted, My Mail is something which is so awesome. You can just implement any email you want. You can just put some custom mail, which is something which is so great. You can just implement anything you want. You can just use this app, which is so robust. It's just fluidy. The material design out of it is just so amazing. I kind of love it because it gives me all those kind of stuff which I want on the go. You can send some stickers, not sneakers, but some stickers. What was I saying? You can send a lot of things. You can see some emojis there. So it's something which is so great using My Mail app, Panorama Crop. Well, on this one, I hope you came across a lot of Instagram profiles whereby they just use a panoramic picture. So I give an example. If it's this chair, we want to split it, you can see there is a one half of the picture, second half, as long as many you want. So I want like 3 rows into 2 columns, like that, so it will be splitted this way. But if I want 3 rows, which is so superb, I can just leave it out. So if I click on checkout, you can see my first picture is this one, second one, that third. So if I post it on my YouTube or my not YouTube but Instagram account, if I post it on my Instagram account, this is how it's gonna look like. So if I say done and close, and everything will just being exported so as I can see it later, which is so awesome about panoramic. Not only that, you can see even some swipeable posts. So I can just click on this picture and bring it somewhere here. So I can just click on this one, so you can see you can swipe on the picture. So this is the layout of your Instagram, and this is how it's gonna look like if you want to get that kind of swipeable picture to have the same kind of look. Our 6th app of the week goes to Video Downloader. Don't get it twisted, it's something which is so awesome. Now this is how it works. Go to Instagram account, click on this link, say copy link. After you're done, go to this video, then automatically it will pass the URL and you'll be downloading the video as quickly as possible. You can even click it to give you more info when it's done. You can see on the history side, it shows you all those things which you want to download, and it's just so awesome. I usually use it when I want to get a certain post instead of me taking some screenshot, which is something which is, I find it won't be so good. So this is something which is so great. You can see how much it looks like. It's just so amazing. It's just so superb.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing top 6 Android apps. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite apps and how do you use it, how do you flex on it. Is it something which is so great, or you're like, man, let me just take a break, I'm just used to my apps which I'm using, I'm just enjoying the pace. But if it's not your thing, let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Are these top 6 Android apps for you, or you're like, I'll just grab a different types of apps? So let me know, and it will be something which is so awesome. And let me know for the next apps which you want, guys. If you comment down below, it will be so amazing, so as I can just come up with something so great. Yeah, that's what he does. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It will be something which is so amazing. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace. Kudos.